Luxury doesn't shout, it speaks through detail. And this one speaks fluently.
Every night, you and I.
Morning light, coffee brewing, conversation at a massive island built for connection.
On the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life.
Space that flows, open, effortless, and alive.
You always take me so high, you always make the highlights.
In the primary suite, peace has a new address and a ceiling that lifts your gaze. A spa-like bathroom that slows down time.
All that good emotion, just my kind of heat.
Upstairs, your world expands.
Emotion, loving.
A private retreat that could become everything you could imagine, from bedroom to game room. Weekends in the backyard, at moments that turn into memories. 403 Foxbury Nook, where luxury feels personal.